Hi everyone, let us today learn and understand how to sow any leafy vegetable. For this video we have taken methi or fenugreek. Now what we need to take care is when we sow leafy vegetable we need to have a little wider container because there are going to be many saplings and there are going to be many seeds which are going to be dropped in very close area. So if you take a very narrow container you would not get much yield. So what I'll do now is I'll show you after the container. This is the kind of soil I have. So if you see, it is like very powdery. If there are any stones we will remove them, and if there are any lumps we'll break it. So this is ideal soil. Before sowing I'll add little water and in a way just make 10% of my soil little bit wet. So what will happen is, हम मेथी जब लगाते हैं तो हम दो तरह से लगा सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ मैंने एक ऐसे चैनल्स ड्रॉ किए 3 और एक चैनल में आपको करके दिखाऊंगा. तो ये चैनल कितने होने चाहिए डीप? 1 to 2 सेंटीमीटर मैक्स. और so if I want to sow methi I can sow 2 ways. I'm going to show you. I'm going to divide this container in 50-50. This side I'm going to sow it in the broadcast way, the way farmers do it. It's called the raw way. And this side I'm going to show you the line or the channel method, in which we are going to pull the channels after making our soil 10 to 20% wet and then drop the seeds. I'll show you how to drop it. Now before going ahead I would like to tell you that there is 50% compost in this entire medium. 50% soil and 50% compost. That makes the clay nature of the soil little lesser, and when you add little coco pit like 10%, that even makes it even better. So you can say 50% compost, 40% soil and 10% coco pit. So now we will drop the seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to sow the seeds and we are just going to free flow drop it. And methi, there is no specification to keep any certain amount of space, but between these two lines I have kept around 2 to 3 inches of space. So this is the way we sow methi seeds. And if there is a lump somewhere, I'll just use my finger and just spread it. Means there are so many seeds and the density is too much, then we have to just spread it a bit. And then whatever channels we have pulled up, just cover it around 1 to 2 centimeter, and careful that there are no lumps over here, because leafy vegetables grow best when there is powdery texture of your soil. However, on this side now I'm going to just broadcast all the seeds, and you can also sow it this way. Just drop all parts. You have to drop it, and once they are everywhere just scatter them a bit. Mix it properly with the soil. This is called the broadcast method. Earlier method we did is the channel method. or the line method. And if there are some seeds which are visible, we'll use some extra soil and just sprinkle it a little bit around 1 to 2 centimeter, not more than that, and bury our seeds. Two centimeter is always safe, because if we start watering, now I'll water with a watering can, but if you water with something which doesn't have a shower effect, then there will be again the soil will erode and it will show the seeds. So we don't want to do that. So that's why you must be little careful in the amount of depth you want to keep it. Now there are no seeds which are visible. Now I'll give water with a watering can. And this time I'm going to wet the entire container. 100% medium. Now as you can see, there are some seeds which are now visible after watering. So that's why I can again add some soil and make them a little thin layer of just burying them. Not more, just a very thin layer. Yes, so we have sown methi seeds in a wide container, in a channel and a broadcast method. So this video shall help you to sow any leafy vegetables. Now I'll talk about how much sunlight this methi would require. Is you can give minimum 2 hours of sun. Morning sun is always good, and if you provide sun in evening, be careful to water little more, because it will dry. And when the seeds are underneath the medium or soil or compost, that is the time you should at least water 2 times a day. One is before the sun comes and one is after the sun has gone. And you want to make sure that this always remains wet. Once the seeds sprout, then you can reduce the watering to once a day or twice a day. Now that depends on what amount of sunlight and which direction you get the sunlight. Now for morning sun and 2 hours of sunlight falling over this place, you can just water once in morning or evening. Morning can be early morning and evening can be little early evening, like 5 to 6 o'clock, when the sun is down and the sun rays are not falling over this place. That is the best time to water. However, if you get afternoon sun or evening sun, this means that you have to water 2 times a day, because this is going to dry faster. And evening, if you get more than 2 hours of sun over this container, then you have to water at least 2 times a day. So that is what you should take care. Other thing you should take care is if you are sowing palak. Now I was constantly dropping the seeds. In palak we have to place them, the seeds, because each of the sapling which is going to come out, that is going to have little bigger leaves, unlike methi which is going to have smaller leaves. So here across the rows I kept a distance of around 2 to 3 inch. In case of palak I can keep it around 4 to 5 inch. And if I drop palak seeds over here, I would reduce them by 1/3 of what I dropped for this methi. And then I will cover the soil in the broadcast method. If you sow coriander, you can sow it same as methi. So these are the 3 important leafy vegetables you can grow in this kind of container. Thank you for watching this video and connecting with us. Now I'd like to add to this that methi grows roughly in between 25 to 40 days. Now the season it likes is winter, and the conditions are little moist in the soil, and in monsoon when there is not too much rain, or if you sow methi or any leafy vegetable in rain, this container needs to have a shelter over it where the sun will come over this container but the rain should not come. So in that season also it will grow very fast, because there is a lot of moisture in the environment as well as the soil. However, if you grow in a little drier season, it might take a little longer, of around 35 to 40 days. And there is one thing, once the seeds come out, you have to be careful about giving the water. Don't water with too much force. You have to just give it with a spraying effect. And this is the best way to water leafy vegetables.